Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's our first Golden Ticket Assembly back after half time, and what an amazing week we have had. It's been brilliant. Everyone just back on it straight away throughout this week, and you'll see by these amazing children what fantastic things they've been doing, not only at school but at home as well. So it is Friday the 5th of November 2021, and we have a nursery reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB, and you see a few fireworks as well, because obviously it's Friday the 5th of November. So welcome to obviously the fireworks and the fireworks of the weekend. I've got a bit to say at the end of assembly as well about that and about this weekend. So let's start off this morning in nursery, and let's find some amazing children who've been working really hard. This child loves reading and joining in with stories. He's a great friend and perseveres with tasks, even if they are difficult. And that's in nursery already. Oh, amazing. And this child now comes into nursery with a big smile every day. And do you know what smiles are? They're very infectious, we know that. She plays well and shares with other children and asks lots of interesting questions. What amazing children they are. It is Joshua and Ayla. There they are, look. Look at this, look at the big smile. I said that, look, Ayla there. And look, here's Joshua, look, with his spiders and his pumpkin there as well from home as well, getting ready. What an amazing children. Well done, you two. Enjoy taking your golden tickets home with you today, and keep up being amazing, smiling, asking lots of questions and being really kind. So thank you both of you. Well done. Congratulations. Moving on to Miss McTavish says this person is our winner as they did an amazing job in the 50 things to do before 5 challenge on Tapestry over half term, uploading lots of photos. And we've had lots of children doing that. So lots of 50 things to do before 5. It's a fantastic website, lots and lots of activities. So if you haven't seen it, get out there, have a go, have a look, and do all the fun things that are involved in that. It is really, really brilliant. It's a fantastic website. So parents, do have a look, okay? Because it's really, really good fun. He's always very smiley at school. Loads of fun in class. Great to see. Elijah! There he is. Look at that. What a fantastic piece of art as well. Well done, Elijah. You absolute superstar. Really huge congratulations. And it was really lovely seeing all those things on Tapestry and all those wonderful things you did over half term. So really, really well done, buddy. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. Superstar. Well done. Next we have, look, Miss Ruffle says, this child is always beautifully behaved and incredibly polite. Thank you. She is helpful, listens well, she tries hard and has made some particularly beautiful and careful pieces of art this term. She certainly has. We're going to see one now. Look. Oh, Lola. There she is. Look at that. Superb. What a fantastic piece of artwork. Lovely, beautiful hair. And the eyes, nose, everything right in the right position. Well done. Big smile as well. Well done, Lola. You absolute superstar. Thank you for being so kind and polite as well to everyone. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Well done. Next we have year 1. Look, and Miss Marshall says, this child has worked independently all week, just on their own. They've come back after half time and they're just getting on. Look, they've completed some outstanding addition and subtraction work too. They certainly have. I've seen some of that maths. It is brilliant. Golden ticket goes to Emily. There she is. Look, Emily, look at that. Yes, Emily, what a big smile. You should be smiling now. You should absolutely smile now. Everyone will be giving you a massive cheer. So really, really well done. Look, in your science outfit as well, you superstar. Well done. And I know your brother's going to be really proud of you as well. So well done. Keep it up. Good girl. Next, we have Mr. Ackerman. It says, this child works hard in class and is developing a great attitude towards their learning. They give things their best shot and they often do things with a smile on their face. So many smiley faces. It's been lovely watching this child grow in confidence since the beginning of year 1. It certainly has. Golden ticket goes to Betsy. There she is. Big smile. Well done, Betsy. You absolute superstar. I am so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself as well, okay? So really, really well done. Look at you. Scientist, top scientist in the making there. So really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today. Superstar. Well done. Moving on to year 2. Look, Miss Begum says, this child is extremely enthusiastic and tries their best across all areas of learning, every single subject. They are friendly and always smiling. They have a positive attitude towards any given challenge, and that's really what we want. Really positive attitude to whatever. They don't always find everything easy, but they work really, really hard. Golden ticket goes to Sophie. Look at this, please. Look at this. Smiles on. So look, amazing. Look, so smiley, so positive. Really, really well done. Keep it up, Sophie. Huge congratulations as well. So really, really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. I know everyone's going to give you a cheer now as well. So go on. Well done. Next, we have Miss Hall. Says our golden ticket winner this week has been working so hard and has enjoyed applying her knowledge outside of the classroom as well. She certainly has. Really well. And another big smile as well on their face goes to Tasnim. There she is. Look, massive smile on her face here. Even here, look, we're reenacting the Great Fire of London there down at Forest School. It was fantastic to see. Really, it was really lovely to see, actually. Children really enjoy themselves, pretending to put out the fire. So really well done, working on their history work as well. So well done, Tasman, and a beautiful smile there as well. Huge congratulations. Keep it up. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. Superstar. Finally, this morning, we have the SRB. Look, Mr. Hardman says, the winner this week has been concentrating much more in lessons. What a fantastic start, back after half term. They've been getting better at maths, reading and writing, and then showing us what they can do. Fantastic with that can-do attitude. They're a good friend who helps others and love to share their ideas. They certainly do. Golden ticket goes to Jordan. Here he is. Look at this, discussing ideas, concentrating hard, helping others. Look at this, look at the maths. Well done, Jordan. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer in the SRB. You absolute superstar. Really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Well done. There we go. Right. Great start back, everyone. Really was. Honestly, massive thumbs up from Mr. Allen. So thank you, everyone. It was a brilliant week. I've really enjoyed this week because you have just been on it, all of you. Well done. Every single one of you have won a golden ticket. Everyone I know is going to be really pleased for you as well and congratulating you as well. This weekend, though, look at this. Look, here we go. Look, wrap up warm. Keep back from fireworks and stay safe. Obviously, lots of you may be going to firework displays throughout this weekend or having them at home. But please do wrap up warm. It is going to be cold. That way we will keep safe as well, because hopefully you'll have gloves on. So if you've got sparklers and various other bits, just like I mentioned in my assembly on Monday. So as well, keep well back from the fireworks, please, because that way it will keep everyone safe throughout this weekend. So that is my message, because I hope everyone comes back on Monday and just tells me what a wonderful time they've had this weekend at fireworks displays. Okay, everyone? So please stay safe, and until then, we'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye now.